Here I want to talk about the prior knowledge for this course. On your left side, you will see the technical things, and the right side, you will see some numbers. The number stands for the level of knowledge that is required. Based on a 10-point scale, 10 will be for someone with a profound knowledge. 5 will be the average level. From top will be Python. If you have the basic skills, that's great. You will need to add on some knowledge such as thread, semaphore, socket, subprocess, context-lib, and NumPy. The minimum requirement for this class is to have a basic knowledge on Python. If you are completely new to Python, please find a Python basic course before you start this course. Also, you will need some basics on web framework and REST. As we will be creating a web framework, we will need some knowledge on HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you do not have any knowledge on the front end part, that's okay. I'll be giving you a short lesson so you can get a quick start. We will be setting the drones to the network, so it will be easier if you have some knowledge on IP addresses, socket, and UDP. Also, to begin this course, you will need to know how to set up your environment, starting with setting your IDE, connecting the devices on Wi-Fi, and installing packages.